Hey everyone, it's a 5,000 subscriber giveaway and you get to win one of these. This is an SUP SUP games console, 401 retro games console, absolute heaven. So good luck in the competition. The competition, all you got to do is watch this video and decode the word and write it in the comments below. Obviously, you need to be a subscriber and you need to give us a good old thumbs up as well. 5,000 subscribers! Who'd have thunk it? Who'd have thunk it? Brilliant. Thanks ever so much for watching as always, guys and girls. Take care. Have a wonderful week and weekend. Here comes the video. Decode it. You're gonna be so angry. Hi, you're gonna be angry.
Why you have two? We're gonna
give away two. We're gonna give away one of these, and we're gonna give away two of these. Two of them.
I thought you were gonna give away one.
I was gonna give away one of them, but you know what? There's a lot of young people out there that are really keen and eager to understand and learn Arduino.
I want to learn too.
Do you?
I can teach you.
It's alright, we will find another way to teach you. Don't cut me! Don't cut me! Don't cut me! don't cut the Electro Maker t-shirt. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Dubious Engineering. Right, Vicky, don't be so noisy now, okay, with all of your cutting. My wonderful assistant here is cutting stuff. There's a lot of you out there with kids that really deserve an education in Arduino. So we're going to give away the two kits. These kits are online at about £30 each. So that's pretty significant. That's about 60 quid's worth of gear. And then on top of that, we've still got an SUP 401 games console to give away. And these things are awesome little games consoles with some lovely LCD displays, and they play a whole plethora of different games. They've got lithium ion cells inside them, and yeah, they're really quite cool. We have some lovely subscribers, may I say. Peter Feckfington, Retro Tech Ralph, yay! He does some great little unboxings of DVDs and various other things, which is awesome. I'm not going to go through all of the different names. Milo Payne, Manny Garg, Josh. There's loads and loads and loads of them here. Dim Tips, hello mate, thanks ever so much. There's some Edwin Norlander, there's Pete Colin Pamplin who gave us the teas made. There's loads and loads and loads of people, and it's so nice to have such interaction and such a nice chat with all of you lovely people when we're doing this. Nice one, Michael. Let's go ahead and start to crumple up all of these names here. We'll just fold them up and we'll pop them into the hat. Loads of names in the hat. My wonderful assistant, would you carefully please pick a name from the hat?
How about you pick one?
But you're my wonderful assistant.
Normally, wonderful assistant, they would just call it.
Give me the hat. Okay, shall I look away?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Here we go. Who have we got? Spungle Trumpet! That's an interesting name. Spungle Trumpet, there we go. You've got one. Okay, I shall look away.
Okay.
Milo Payne. That's an interesting name. Sounds like hot chocolate. Milo.
Yeah.
Cool. Excellent. So, you guys, Spungle Trumpet and Milo Payne, you guys have won. One of these bad boys is going to be winging its way to you in the post in the very near future. All you need to do is get onto my information in the YouTube About the Channel section. There's a little button that you can press that will pop up and show you my email address. And once we've got in touch over email, then I can get your addresses and I can post these to you in the mail. Congratulations, well done! Yay! Don't forget, if you want this bad boy, okay, you need to decode all the letters that have been showing up wherever the letters have been showing up on the video here. You've got to go ahead and put that little weird and wonderful code into the comment section down below, and then you guys will get an opportunity to win this. And this here is our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Milo and Spungle Trumpet. Awesome. Well done. You're the winners.
Hi Dubious Engineering viewers, this is Dan from the channel Retro Recollections, and I'm here to say well done, fantastic. From a personal point of view, you've been a very supportive guy. You're totally bonkers and you've got some bonkers content, but it's fantastic content. So if you're not a subscriber to Howard already, you need to be. Here's to the next 5,000. Have a great day and I shall speak to you again soon. All the best everybody. Bye bye.
Well, I do hope you enjoyed that little montage of madness there. Obviously you need to be a subscriber. Put the word in the comments section down below. Make sure you give us a good old thumbs up. And one of these will be winging its way to you when we draw a name from a hat in the next video. Can't tell you how nice it is to have so much engagement on this channel. And I know some of the content can be a little bit variable, but we have so much fun putting this stuff together and we really enjoy doing what we do. And the interaction that we get from you guys during the course of our videos is absolutely fantastic. It's lovely. We've actually gotten to make some really good friends doing this. It's always a little bit nerve-wracking creating a video and sort of wondering, okay, how's this going to go? How's this going to sort of come across to people? We always like to be slightly educational and we always like to be slightly entertaining. It's not amazingly entertaining, it's not amazingly educational, but it's fun. I hope it's fun. It's certainly fun for us, as I said. And, well, cheers guys and girls. Bye for now.
Where's
Spungle Trumpet.
I know the trumpet.
You know trumpet, yeah. I'm not sure what Spungle is.
Oh, okay.
Spungle sounds a bit interesting.
Milo.
Yeah.
Milo.
Milo's hot chocolate.
Dun, dun, dun.
Milo's hot chocolate.
Oopsie.
Woo! Thank you for your help.
Mm-hmm.